the depot is in a really good location. It's so close to everything you'll probably ever need, and it's only about a 15 to 20-minute walk away from both campuses.
The depot is in a great location because you've got all the stores around you. There's cafes nearby, whatever you need basically.
Everything's right around the corner. Clubs or restaurants are really close by as well.
But my first impression was depot is like a really nice, just big student hub.
The building really has all the facilities that you'd need. The main common room has a pool table, it has ping pong.
The space is constantly growing, constantly changing, and they bring in new things, new features.
The ping pong table is in the laundry room, so you can pass your time when you're waiting for laundry.
I'd say there is a strong community and social vibe here. The shared kitchen is obviously a really good way to make friends with your flatmates.
In the courtyard there's tables and chairs where you can go down and you can eat, or you can just chat with some friends. The space is very bright even at night, which is quite nice.
You know, it's always amazing to like meet all these new people.
People have a lot of opportunities to interact with each other.
The gym is very useful because it's in the buildings. The equipment is very up to date, and pretty much everything you need is in the building.
I really enjoyed the fact that there's security on site 24/7. It just makes me feel much more safer than I would have anywhere else.
The staff here are really amazing.
Any questions that I really have, they answer really quickly.
The staff take their time to get to know you a bit more, so it's more like you're friends with them other than that they work at the building that you live in.
They've just been so welcoming and warm, and they always let me know that they're there for me when I need them.
The first impressions of my room were really nice. It felt pretty similar to my own at home.
The rooms are very spacious.
All the utilities are well equipped. So, you know, there's a stove, there's a microwave. It's pretty much like a hotel.
Personally, I would 100% recommend the depot.
It combines all those things you're looking for in a place.
The location's perfect for uni and going to the stores.
It makes you feel really at home.
And you have everything you need.
This place is just fabulous.